Hi guys, thank you for joining Cronberry. In today's video, I am going to guide you on how to start using Cronberry effectively for your various business processes. Cronberry provides a powerful business automation platform for all kinds of businesses, be it B2B or B2C. It helps in managing each of your valuable customer leads through its advanced CRM feature and allows you to streamline your sales and marketing process through various segmentation and campaigning strategies. In this video series, we are going to cover all the basics plus the main features of Cronberry which you need to know and should use to get the best results for your business. Now quickly before we start, if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos that will help you to grow your business at a great scale. Alright, the first thing you need to do, if you have not visited our website already, you can click on the link in our description and it will redirect you on our website www.cronberry.com. Now once you are on website and need guidance in signing up, click on request demo. You will be prompted to fill quick details and once you hit submit, our sales team will reach you as soon as possible to guide you further. But you want to explore things on your own, then just click on login and follow the sign up and verification process. So here is what you have to do. Just click on sign up tab. Enter your email address that you want to use as your login to Cronberry. Please note that once registered, this ID cannot be changed or modified. Also, this will be considered as your official email address in Cronberry and all the relevant informations will be shared on this address. Now enter your secured password, confirm password and click on sign up. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the sign up process. Now we request you to please help in short verification process so that it will be easier for us to manage your records. We request you to fill all the mandatory fields to verify your account like first name, last name, gender, mobile number. Now you will see that your email ID is already pre-filled. Click on verify link for the verification of your email address. Now you will receive an OTP on the mentioned email address. Fill it to process further. We also request your business information such as your company name, address, GSTIN, PIN code, city, state and country for various taxation and accounting purposes. As per mandatory regulations, we request you to please click on the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions to use Cronberry for your business. Additionally, you can click on the next checkbox only if you want to receive newsletters and emails regarding software updates and features. Now click on submit. Great! You have now successfully registered as a free user on Cronberry Marketing Automation platform. Please note that now you will be remain logged into the platform until and unless you select log out from your profile menu. We suggest that you should always log out if you have multiple users on your computer system to keep your data hidden from others. To log in again, please bookmark this page on your browser. In case you have forgotten your password, it is really easy to reset it. Just click on forget password link and you will receive an email for resetting your password. Now click on the link in email, create new password and store it on a secured place to prevent unauthorized use. This is it for this video. Hope the sign up and login process is now clear to you and you have already created a free user account with us. We request you to subscribe and stay tuned with us as in this tutorial series, the next video is on Cronberry dashboard and its reporting highlights. Thank you.